Adam Boca, National Corvette Museum Insurance Agency. How you doing today, Adam?
Amazing. I'm in Florida. It's awesome.
Of course it is. Now, I always like to do this with you. We do this maybe once a year or so, but it's the beginning of the year. People have had their car insurance. Maybe some of them had their policies for a little while now. Shouldn't they be doing a checkup?
You're absolutely right. You know, it's a perfect time. Hopefully it's a little slower for some folks, so allocate some time to reevaluate all of your insurance, not just only your collector cars, but you know, it doesn't hurt to shop around. And while loyalty is king and we appreciate loyalty, it's always good just to make sure that your insurance agent is honest to you and in giving you the best rates available.
Right. And one of the things we love about the Corvette Museum's insurance agency is that the commissions go back to the museum.
Absolutely. It's the greatest part of what we feel is our marketing aspect here. We have tons of supporters, and it's just another way to give back to the museum by purchasing something you have to have anyway.
Right. Now, we've been seeing a lot of Z06s getting out. I think over 1,000 have been built and put in the hands of consumers already. Is that something you insure?
You better believe it. And last month we insured, it had to have been a good 75, 80 Z06s. And it was just absolutely amazing. A lot of calls, a lot of interest. And those Z06 owners own multiple Corvettes. And when you have multiple Corvettes on a policy, you really could save quite a bit of money. You pay the liability on the first car, you don't pay it on any other car after that. So that's where you save a ton.
So collector car insurance obviously isn't just for old cars then?
That's right. Big misconception. You know, collector car people think classic, 25 years or older. That's rules of the past. Today I can insure brand new Corvettes, even any other collector vehicle.
And one other thing we want to mention is that you guys do on-track insurance now for those high-performance driving events, and how cool is that the museum has their own racetrack now right across the street?
Absolutely. It was just a natural progression for us to be able to offer the on-track physical damage coverage. It's a agreed value policy. They're deductible options, so you have 10%, 13%, or 15% deductibles. So if you ever have an accident on the track, you definitely have that coverage through our special on-track coverage. Now that information is exclusively on our website, so ncminsurance.com/HPDE.
Okay. And just to run over the basics again about collector car insurance and why it's so important, let's just talk about the three kinds of insurances that are out there and what makes the National Corvette Museum's Insurance Agency policies so much better for Corvette owners.
Absolutely. We write exclusively agreed value coverage. And what that is it's a promise of value. If you ever have a total loss, you know exactly what you're going to get in the event of a total loss. Other companies offer actual cash value or stated value, and they're two completely different terminologies. Actual cash value says it's the book value at the time of the loss. You don't want to find out what your 57 Corvette is worth if you have it on a standard auto policy at the time of that loss. You want to protect that investment ahead of time. And then stated value, you find with a lot of the larger big box companies, and you state a value, you pay a premium on that value, but it doesn't mean you're going to get it. Regardless of your relationship with your insurance agent, they're most likely going to depreciate the value of that car. So you really want to pay close attention to that terminology in the declarations pages.
Well, it's, I think, so important, and one of the reasons why a couple of us at CorvetteBlogger.com have switched our insurance policies to the NCM Insurance Agency is because of the agreed upon value, the fact that we're helping the museum, and there's even if you're a museum member, you get a discount.
Yeah, all states or most states, you do get a discount. It's up to 10%. Not all states do qualify, unfortunately, so we like to make that known. Most states, though, we do offer that discount. So membership's $50. If your premium is $500, it's a wash. It makes tons of sense, and you're helping support the museum even more. Sure,
sounds good. Now, you do quotes live and quotes online and quotes at the museum. What's the best way to get in touch with you?
Yeah, through our website, ncminsurance.com, or give us a call up at 877-678-7626.
All right. Well, Adam Boca, NCM Insurance Agency, great to see you, and thanks again for helping all those Corvette owners out there.
Oh, thank you. We appreciate you guys.